Now to the coronavirus here in Maryland. The statewide positivity rate is now right around 2.5%. This comes as the state tops 123,000 positive cases since the pandemic began. 10 more people have died in our state, bringing the number of victims to nearly 3,800. The U.S. now recording more than 7.1 million known infections in this country since the outbreak was first reported. More than 204,000 Americans have died. Danya Backus reports for WJZ on where the country is being hit the hardest right now.
Across the heartland and parts of the West, coronavirus cases are spiking. Wisconsin is one of the states where cases are rising fastest, averaging more than 2,000 new cases a day, hospitalizations an all-time high.
The increases that we saw across the rest of the nation are now making it to us here in central Wisconsin.
In Missouri, a state with rising cases and no mask mandate, the governor and his wife have tested positive.
For the most part, no symptoms for me. I'm feeling good.
Tonight, as the global death toll from the pandemic closes in on 1 million, the World Health Organization warns that number could double before a vaccine is available.
And unless we do it all, the numbers you speak about are not only imaginable, but unfortunately and sadly, very likely.
Across the country, some states are doing their best to provide a safe sense of normalcy. In Texas, a visit to the state fair now means a drive-through, masks, and timed entry tickets.
It's a lot of fun to get out of the house and do something like this, even under the circumstances.
New York City continues to open with caution, making outdoor dining permanent.
I feel like it's really nice to get back to normal, and I also think it's really good for the restaurants.
But others are taking a controversial approach. Florida's governor is lifting all restrictions on bars, restaurants, and other businesses.
We're prepared if we see an increase. We're not closing anything going forward. We're going to be able to host the Super Bowl in February.
Here in California, health officials say there could be an 89% increase in coronavirus-related hospitalizations over the next month. Danya Backus, CBS News, Los Angeles.